Magnifying Glass Effect in CapCut. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to highlight specific details in their videos using the magnifying effect in CapCut. This feature helps creators focus viewers' attention on important areas, improve storytelling, and make content more engaging, especially for tutorials, product showcases, or viral short videos on social media platforms. To begin this tutorial, click your CapCut on the main page. Once the app is open, move your attention to the top left corner and click Sign In to access your account. If you want to log in using a Google account, click Sign In with Google to continue. A list of available Google accounts will appear on your screen. Select the Google account you want to log in with. After logging in successfully, you will be taken to the main interface of the application. Click Create Project at the top to begin a new editing session. After entering the project workspace, click Import on the top left so you can add media files from your device. Next, select the video you want to create the magnifying glass effect for by clicking on it. Then click Open to import it into the project. Once the video is uploaded, it will appear in the Media Library panel. Then, click the plus icon on the video you have uploaded to add it to the timeline so you can begin editing. After placing the video on the timeline, look at the top left corner of the interface and click Effects to open the Effects library. Then, type Magnifying Glass in the search field to locate the desired effect. After the results appear, click and drag the magnifying glass effect you selected onto the timeline and place it part of the video where you want the effect to appear. Next, adjust the size of the magnifying glass effect to your liking so it focuses on the area you want to highlight. After that, adjust the strength setting to control how strong the zoom or magnification appears in the effect. Then, adjust the vertical angle to position the effect correctly along the up and down direction of the video frame. Next, adjust the horizontal angle to position the effect properly from left to right. Once finished, click play to see the results and preview how the magnifying glass effect appears in your video.